Hey guys, this is Doc and Bean,
I'm Doc, she's Bean.
and we talk all things travel. We're an adventurous couple that explores the world hand in hand. With over 2 decades of experience, you'll get to see our journey plus exclusive interviews, the latest travel tips and tricks. So stick around because our passion for travel is contagious. Hey guys, this is Doc and Bean, and welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, make sure to check out our Bangkok video, Everything You Must Know Before You Go. We are thrilled to share our custom Bangkok itinerary created with you in mind. We absolutely love Bangkok and want you to experience it to the fullest, just like we did. It's a 7-day action-packed guide, but if you're staying longer, no problem. You can easily stretch it out for your leisure. The link to grab your copy is waiting for you in the description. Don't wait, start planning your epic Bangkok journey today.
Check out the preview of the itinerary coming up now.
And we have some exciting news for you if you are heading to Bangkok. Bangkok is near and dear to our hearts. It's a city that has it all. Rich in culture, amazing food, exciting nightlife, and unforgettable experiences. But planning it all, that can get overwhelming. That's where we come in. We have a 7-day, fully planned Bangkok itinerary that's designed to take the guesswork out of your trip so you can focus on making memories. Our itinerary includes everything you need to explore Bangkok like a pro. We have detailed travel tips, transportation guides, and insider recommendations for food, activities, and accommodations, all with clickable links. Whether you're here for 3 days or a week, we've got options to fit your schedule and budget. We've highlighted Bangkok's must-see attractions with practical advice on the best time to visit, how to avoid crowds, and what to bring along. Plus, you'll discover lesser-known gems that most tourists miss. Bangkok's food scene is legendary, and our itinerary maps out the top spots for authentic Thai dishes, street food adventures, and even unique dining experiences. Now, when the sun sets, we've got you covered with recommendations for night markets, rooftop bars, and entertainment that'll keep you going all night long. What sets our itinerary apart is insider tips you won't find anywhere else, navigating the city like a local, and shortcuts to save time and money. We've even included day trip ideas for when you want to explore beyond the city limits. With our Bangkok itinerary, you'll have everything you need for an unforgettable trip all in one place. So click the link below and grab your copy now, and let's make Bangkok your next adventure. Check out our YouTube video on Bangkok, Everything You Need to Know Before You Go. I'll also have that link in the description. And for more tips, tricks, and travel information, please like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel. See you guys.